welcome from Munich Train Station. I'm here by the main platforms here, number 19 I'm on actually at the minute. I've got to actually find out which platform I'm on because I'm going to Nuremberg today. I've actually bought a buy-in ticket which actually covers travel within the region of Bavaria, so that's S-Bahn, U-Bahn travel, and it's quite a cheap option. The thing with this is you have to take regional trains and not the fast ones that you get, that you see, probably this one here, these ice trains. You can't take these. These are slightly shorter in duration, but the regional ones take a little bit longer, but it's worth travelling on because you save so much money. This cost, for two people, this was 39 euros. The same ticket, if I wanted to travel on the faster train, was about 270 euros today. But here it's busy, actually heaving today in Munich. Just got to find out which platform I'm on. But there's lots of facilities here actually. Lots of small coffee shops and food outlets that you expect at a train station. So I've actually got to take a connecting journey, go to Ingolstadt Hauptbahnhof on this train, and then from there got to change platforms to go to Nuremberg. So this is the actual train I'll be boarding, RE1 Ingolstadt Hauptbahnhof. Seats aren't too bad actually, quite spacious. This is the second one, the connection to Nuremberg. This first class is up there, second is here. Pretty similar seats again. Same sort of config. Same sort of designs, styles. Not bad actually, pretty good first journey. Took about 50 minutes or so. Quite a few stops on the way. And a few red lights I guess as well. So actually seats are actually a little bit better. They've got a folding tray. Previous train didn't have one. So that's actually a good addition, but there's no power sockets here. So if you want to charge something, there is nothing here to charge with. You can break the screen, got one of those, but you can't charge anything. Arrived in Nuremberg station, and the train that arrived on is now going to Munich. So I just need to get out of the station. Pretty easy ride in to Nuremberg, and with one transfer, but you can get the direct trains as well. So from Nuremberg station, it's goodbye.